Hey, it's Joe, and this is my next project.
A while back, my sister found this china cabinet that she liked very well. It was just too tall for her house. It had a row of drawers below these glass doors, and she had the drawers taken out and shortened it where it would fit into her house. And I had her send me the drawers and send me this video and show me how it's made, and I thought I could make her a 3-drawer chest that would complement and look quite a bit like this. I don't believe this is an antique piece. However, I think it was built in a fashion to make it look old, and I thought maybe I could match it. And here's what I came up with. I made the frame, and there's the 3 drawers that came out of it. I made it out of dark wood because I wanted the dark wood to show through like it did in the original piece. The finish was the hard part on this. If you look at the paint is chippy. Sometimes on these faux paint, they sand it down. They sand it and it just looks sanded. And I wanted it to look chippy. Here's what I came up with. This is lightweight spackling like you would find in the paint department. It feels like the can's empty, it's so lightweight, and you gob it on there really thick. Don't smear it on, just put big gobs on there, and then you go ahead and you paint your piece, or that's what I did anyway. And then you just brush it off when it's done, and look how chippy it looks. I'm not sure if chippy is even a word, but that's what comes to me when I look at it. And you paint the base coat on it, and then you have a wash that you can put several coats of the wash over it. And that's the 3-drawer chest. And here's what it looks like. I didn't get the paint exactly right, but I got it pretty close. And that was a fun project. I really enjoyed making the chest and the painting it. Off to the next project.
I hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, tell your friends and subscribe. It's important.